How to create template list on ClickUp. Hello guys and welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create template list on ClickUp. So let's get started. First of all, log into your ClickUp account on your PC, and over here you'll be able to see all of your spaces which you have already made. Here I'm going to click on marketing project because I wish to create a template list of this. So once you click on it, you'll be able to see list over here. So just click on it and you'll be able to see the lists that are in your project. So if you wish to create a template of these lists in order to use it in the future and not like create these lists again and again in order to save time, so you can just double click on this list option at the top. I'm repeating once again, you have to double click in order for these options to appear. Then over here among the options, you have to find this option that is templates. So over here you'll be able to see templates. So just click on templates, and once you click on that, there'll be three options in front of you. That is browse template, save as template, and update existing template. So you got to click on save as template. Once you click on that, you'll be redirected to this interface. Here you can write down any specific name of the template so that it will be easy for you to navigate in the future. So just type any name, and then you can add any description that what this template is about, or even add tags for your friends or in order for you to find that easily. Next is share with, that you gotta specify who you want this template to be shared with, either all members, everyone. You could just give it a look and specify who you want this template to be shared with. And you can even update an existing template that you have already saved by clicking it, and then you have to click on save template. Once you click on save template, your template will be saved. Now here you can see it's written your template marketing project template list has been created. I accidentally clicked it 2 times, so that's why it's twice, but it will be just once. So that was basically how you can create template list on ClickUp. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more helpful tutorials in future. See you in the next one.